Hello everyone, here's Asmita Patil from Asmita's Open Academy, and today in this video we are going to discuss exactly what is meant by utility and its type. So buddies, without any delay, let's begin to our today's topic. So just give the thumb and let's begin it. Okay, so we will describe the utility by taking one example. Here is one person. This person is feeling hungry. So what this person will do, this person will make the consumption of a food which is known as the commodity, right? And after making the consumption or of intake of a food, the satisfaction which this person will get, it is known as the utility. For an example, so we can say that utility is equal to the satisfaction. So after consumption of a things or a product in which we are of need, the satisfaction which we get, it is known as the. So now here is an definition of a utility. Utility has a power or a capacity of commodity which can satisfy human needs. Means as we taken the example, this was a man, this was a person, here was a food, this person was hungry, so he make the consumption of a food which is known as the commodity, and because of this food the person's needs or demand was satisfied. So utility has a power, and the satisfaction which this person got after the consumption of a food is known as the utility. So utility is a satisfaction which an individual or a person get after the consumption of his or her needs. Okay, I hope that you are clear with this point. Let's begin to other point. Now our second point is types of utility. Majorly there are 5 types of utility: form utility, time utility, place utility, service utility, and possession utility. Now in coming video we are going to discuss one by one type of utility in a detail. So guys, just boost your mind to clear this topic. So let's begin. So the first type of utility is form utility. Now the basic meaning of a form is the formation or creation of something new. For an example, there is a wood. Now here is a wood. Wood is a commodity. What we done? We change its shape and size and we convert it into a furniture. Now as we know, furniture gives more utility as compared to the wood. Now according to the definition, by changing the shape and size of a commodity to create a utility, hence it is known as the form utility. Form means formation or a creation of a new things by changing its shape and size. The second type of utility is place utility. Now what does it mean? Products get transferred from one place to the another and increases utility. For an example, the apples are mostly formed in the Kashmir, but the utility of apples as compared to Kashmir is more in other countries. So it is known as the place utility. Utility gets changes by exchanging the product from one place to the another place. The third type of utility is time utility. Utility of a commodity or a product get changes according to the time. For an example, if we took the umbrella and the sweater, the utility of an umbrella is more in the rainy season as compared to utility of a sweater is more in winter season. Hence the time utility means utility of every product get changes according to the time. It doesn't remains it changes according to the time. Hence it is known as the time utility. The fourth type of utility is service utility. Service utility means to provide a service. For an example, if an individual is in form of a patient, then what the commodity he or she needs a doctor, and the utility gets from a doctor, not a police. Means the service utility is according to the condition, what we are, what the commodity we need, and which commodity can fulfill our needs and give the satisfaction, that is the utility. We can even take the example of a criminal. If an individual is a criminal, then the utility he needs from a lawyer, not from a doctor. So the service utility also changes according to the condition or a situation. The fifth type of utility is possession utility. The basic meaning of possession is ownership. Hence the utility which we get from the product when we are ownership of it is different, and when someone other is the ownership of that product, the utility which we get is different. For an example, this marker, when I am the owner of this marker, my satisfaction from this marker is different. But when I transfer this marker to another person, then when he or she is the ownership of this marker, my satisfaction is different. Hence the possession utility gets changed according to the change in the ownership. Here we have completed this point. I hope that you are clear with this point. If you like my video, please press the like button. If you want to share, you can share it. And if you want more and more videos on the Asmita's Open Academy, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.